Yeah, there are some positives. You kind of look for things when wins are hard to come by. Obviously, we've been facing a lot of deficits early in games, and but we found a way to be one hit away a couple of times from either taking the lead or tying up there in the ninth inning. So yeah, a couple of guys had good nights swinging the bat. Esco was doing a good job and kept us on everything. So you try to look for those bright spots. But we gave them some runs and couldn't contain there. Tried to keep it as close as we could, but we pecked away, and it just kind of familiar story. We couldn't get over the hump.
What did you see in Lance tonight?
Well, he's still having a little trouble with his command. You can tell by the pitches and the walks and some of those things that are creating a lot of opportunities. He made some good pitches at times to try to minimize. We didn't make some plays. Obviously, that showed up in tonight's game. The home run to Smoke, big blow there to try to keep it close, and he kind of separated a little bit there.
How about the job Hildenberger did for 2 innings?
Well, it was clean and it was quick and it was efficient. He's been kind of looking for that outing to get him going a little bit, and we've seen a couple at times where he seems to be getting back on track, but hopefully tonight's a good step for him. And we needed those 2 innings, and he mopped them up quickly and probably will keep himself available with the minimum amount of pitches that he had to use.
Your guys have done a really good job of keeping the big picture in mind, saying the right things. You worry about that having a kind of an expiration date if things don't turn?
I don't have a particular date in mind, but yeah, I mean, you try to stay the course. I think messaging is all about control the controllables and try to keep finding ways to do those little things that make a difference in games. I mean, a lot of the games that we've come up short, it hasn't been the big things as much as some of the little things, whether it's defense or base running or executing a pitch in a critical time, some of those things. So we just have to get better at all those things.
When you see Lance start with an 8-pitch first, what are you thinking at that point?
We haven't had a lot of 8-pitch firsts, so you have a tendency to notice. We came back and made 3 loud outs in the first, which was a little bit discouraging because we were on them early. But yeah, in the second inning, a lot of things didn't go right. We got ahead of the first guy and he banged a hit, and we get a gapper. We got a chance there. We get the tapper out front, and I'm not sure exactly what the thought process there. We were all trying to get an out on that play if we could, and it didn't work out. It just kind of gave them a little bit more momentum.